Hello everyone, my name is Varsharaka. In this video, I will tell you the evolution of our Arbitration Act in Mediation and Mediation Act, why it is to become the most efficient dispute resolution. So let's begin. Section 89 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908, it provides that the settlement of a dispute out of a court. So it in this sections provides different kinds of matters how dispute is evolved. So in which there is a one of method arbitration, mediation, conciliation, negotiation, and then look adalat. So we can settle the dispute out of a court settlement. So what is the arbitration? Arbitration is a private dispute resolution method where parties agree to have a neutral third party, the arbitrator, making a binding decision. And this method is a very cost effective and flexible to resolve the matter. In Arbitration Act, there is a key provision provided how the appointment arbitrator is appointed, how the proceeding is conducted, and how the arbitration award is enforced. So there are recent judgment in Patel Engineering Limited versus North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited. The Supreme Court emphasized the need for clear and specific arbitration agreement. What is the arbitration agreement? There are different kinds of agreement. The first ad hoc, institutional, and hybrid, depending on the parties' preferences. The arbitration process is fair and transparent, and the recent judgment provided that it clarified the scope of arbitration agreement and jurisdiction of an arbitrator. Then how arbitration award is enforced. The award which is provided in disputes is an element, it is a binding and can be enforced in a court or final. Challenging now, it can be challenged on the basis of a procedure irregularity and violation of public policy. Then it is considered as the most efficient dispute resolution, reducing the length of a need for lengthy and costly court battles. So now the next act is Mediation Act. Mediation Act 1923, which is passed by the Parliament, promote mediation as the alternate dispute resolution methods. In these provisions, we said how the mediation settlement is enforced, what is the mediation registered, independence as well as flexibility of a language use. Recognized approach, this act provide mediation as acceptable to resolve dispute both international and domestic and international disputes. There are many different kinds of cases in which the cases can be resolved. For example, in case of a conciliation, we can case the employment loss. In case of a mediation, we can go for family matrimonial disputes. In case of arbitration, we can go for any kind of contractual property or consumer dispute. We can go for it. The mediation process. Mediation helps identify issues, clarity, priorities, and reach a better understanding to resolve their problem. There must be a cooperation between the mediator and the parties. The settlement agreement, which is passed under mediation law, it is also binding and final and enforced by the court of law. It is also has applicability. It includes to resolve disputes based in India as well as a foreign country. It promotes the mediation for both domestic and international disputes. Then it is very easable and affordable without the costly court battles. Advantage, it is a more flexible and cost-effective methods, and then it preserve the relationship of our parties. Then in the future of a dispute resolution, we all know there are many cases of pending and cyber crimes are also evolving. So the Arbitration Act and Mediation Act is the best and comprehensive way to resolve a dispute in a very unique and advantage way. In a very they both are complementary to each other, or it is kind of a integrated solution where we can apply any of them to resolve the disputes. So the Arbitration Mediation Act as a most efficient and cost-effective and flexible framework to resolve dispute whether in India and a foreign country. It promotes an alternative approach apart from the court procedure, and it reduces the burden of a court system. Then it is in India, it is evolving. The arbitration mediation continues to grow. The future of dispute resolution in India is likely to be marked by increased integration and innovation. I hope I'll cover all the topics of arbitration mediation. Thank you so much.